This message is to our Indian siblings in India. For 66 years, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has called India his second home.
Home of my rest of life, and even my sort of death, I prefer India.
It's time, the government of India bestowed or give, Bharat Ratna to His Holiness Dalai Lama.
Hi, welcome to my channel to Vietnamese.
Now His Holiness is celebrating his 90th birthday in few days' time. It's time, the government of India bestowed or give, Bharat Ratna to His Holiness Dalai Lama. His Holiness Dalai Lama has been recognized all over the world, from Nobel Peace Prize to Templeton Peace Prize to UN Environmental Prize to, you just name it, there are 150 awards been given to him, except one missing, is India's Bharat Ratna. It's time, I think, the government of India should celebrate, His Holiness Dalai Lama's 90th birthday by giving him Bharat Ratna this year.
This message is to our Indian siblings in India. For 66 years, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama has called India his second home.
Home of my rest of life, and even my sort of death, I prefer India.
His lifelong teachings are rooted and guided by the Nalanda school of thought and wisdom, successfully ensuring that the profound teachings of the Buddha, the Pali Canon, and the Sanskrit scriptures remain alive in today's world.
Always express I am a messenger of ancient Indian thought.
Few figures in modern history have represented India's ethos as effectively as he has.
But I am quite proudly to say we are not only Chela of ancient Indian master, but we also quite reliable Chela.
Yet despite his immeasurable contributions, India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, has eluded him. This award has recognized exceptional non-Indians like Nelson Mandela and Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, as well as Mother Teresa, who also adopted India as a home. They received this honor for their unwavering commitment to peace and justice. The Dalai Lama stands equally tall in that legacy. He is the only person in history to have received the Nobel Peace Prize, the Congressional Gold Medal, and more recently the Gold Mercury Award and over 150 other prestigious global awards. Yet, recognition from his adopted homeland remains absent. Some argue that political or religious sensitivities may be the reason. But the Dalai Lama's life's work is not about politics or religion. It's about human dignity, compassion, global peace and harmony. By bestowing the Bharat Ratna on the 90-year-old Dalai Lama, India will be reaffirming its commitment to the principles of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
We believe in the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, whole world is family. This is in our DNA, this is in our genetic system.
Now, more than ever, it is time for India to bridge the divide between political uncertainty and the universal call for peace by demonstrating truth to power, unafraid to honor someone who is one of the greatest moral and spiritual figures of our era. This will be more than a recognition. It will be an act of justice for India to honor and recognize her other son.
This physical survived with Indian dance Shabati, this mind student of ancient Indian thought. So I express I am son of India.
Once again, we request the various Tibet support groups and elected leaders across India to help champion, lobby, and advocate so our voices become impossible to ignore. And to every citizen of India, join us if you believe that the Bharat Ratna for the Dalai Lama is not merely deserved, but long overdue. To urge the Prime Minister's office to recommend His Holiness the Dalai Lama to be proudly announced during the 2026 Republic Day, a day that stands for national unity, moral courage and justice. Jai Hind and Pögelo.
Ni tong ni shu zang a, jin de dun bei ce ge ya ni zui xue ya. Kiragi Sarkang Cheshu, the Times of India, Goya Chabachina, Gamgun Gawa Ishu Nubuya, Netande, Kiragi Singda Cheshu, the Chet Toshugi, Bharat Ratna, near Pugures, Natindegi, Tamsangi, Netsu Jetu, Sokpantami, Natsogi, Chuzo, Tumi, Ka, Gijuni, Senta, Dubi, Tone, Gaurmuchella, Tande, Kiragi Singda Bharat Ratna Pugo years and Tindaji Redisha. Kanda Tatandi de Puel Tanda de Sakana Go Shabate Paratia Janda Padi Tandi Ugi Sishuncha de Yobare ane biju janda dal ne janda dal united ta dinzo mangji bihar yo ge chokpa imba yo amanta wodi khanda dinde che chokpa sumi ming kyo shabre de sha da tanan shi ta kyaga gi tande shungjin chokpa khapte chokpa gyawam jera bharat rata gi thola mangbochi gi ta nyamshu chigre samsam roje yo deabre chenza gi di chigre niba de ya ne khurang so gi shudu niba de ya kyaga gi trecho khongwo ni Lok Sabha da Rajya Sabha ni Lenzom ge to ne gyao shinu ge kalop nang gu yes ro ta khanda ushu ge kalop kadi kyang gu yes ne dinde ge beda che da de ge tene ni pa de ya thande kya silen shirin da mudi ne khazang kundu gonglo gupjo ge thunga ya sungze gi chamdi pheba yinzang de ya gemi gi sa dawa ya junju checha khanda kya gi gyawrum je da kunzu khade basti do khade pe gi tus legala ne chuto chewe na takta de yo mares la cha kana chisi ligon de za pe gi she de gi be ne chu che re de sha khanda ta phebe ne de kima la pöje 당야기 참조 제고를 했을랍자야 준주 제기 여배 내주제 두 니데 단다 년동제 당샤유 따디 단다 벌기 샤마기 사칸 사바드네 뜨는데 아버지들 샤타모랑기 겨럼절에 시베싱다 표고에기 선주디 촉디 제제 선주제 시에디도 다 피나 피 촉이 여바 겸제 나만 장체 모랑기 시에체 아버지나 다 겨가기 디 표고그래서니 겨럼제도제나 아니 다 벳코라 차친 마소나 차상 창대베 니 구디 차요레슬 모나 콩기기 요베 니 쩨제레데샤 자베 바rat 라나기 더 퓨여기 ngo보디 미 칸데질레 퓨기 요메르와 디 ngo보디 르용고라 디 창기 요레스르와 타는 셰다 겨럼제 겨가기 미셀 멤버 인자야 피나 딩만디 기자 요베나 ngoma Nelson Mandela la pubres ani ta khaji ji ming thön so ta kan da ji le pubres ro ta nge normena Mother Teresa injirwa inji cha Calcutta le cha ta gya la cha gyor wa pubin ni su phaji yore chen ta din de chi do yan chilo mi la pubin ni su yo de ba che ta tan da gyam che gi zambling yong la ni ta ji gya gi pararatna gi chajen go ba na shi ta 직동급제 축준이 진 단다버도 제제다 간다 배도연 답저 제를 점링 시위 가면나에 된데 제도다 차상 창요 레스와 네다 마상야 돼 가와차브레나 땡상 점불링기다 상조 경원이 차상 창요를 된 땡상 싱다다 망보직 첩시기 누슈 원이 첩시기 직다 락제 원이 누구요 브레스 현재기 딱 기시 겨가기 퓨버이나 겨나기 각바 겨그레스다 딜란 투치아니 갖고 차기요래서 디 까미직는 것도 이는 문화기 까면 나로야 단데 바르데 잔다 빠디디 베데 라 잡죠 축첨부 칭에 아니 베데 라 삼시 축첨부 용액이 초과지 차디게 여브레스 저베 무디기다 니동 줍시네 숑야 레브레데 단다바도 잠제 제체 나요 마레스 다나시 니동 줍시네 지네 니동 뉴슈버들라 잠제기 제 칼로 토라 참디 슈어도 데 나요 마레스 니동니 쩌직 쩌니 바요 딱 한다 찍라 모라기 니 도스쿠 무디기 겸제 카바카 난 까메 나요바 다나시 참 총가 참디 슈여 버던데 제브레스 전에 다 단데 겸제라 바르트 라트나기 싱다데 퓨다 마투디 다 첩시 경원에 케베네니 쩌모찌기 임바 총가 키자 겸제라 팜가 샤기 임바 또 디차디기 여브레스 다 단대자네 게나라 캅대자기 두주지 레드 여벤자 다 케벤nencha gyamjela singdade phywena ngazula keben didu lagi digi thoni phaje droyagi ta rewa lagorwa hitinde yode abres sabe athande mudi shungya le ne chine gyamje jete na ma da chikchina ta jete chegi di yongsi resro dimena ta chisi lenchen nyamdo jete che yongsi res dimena bharat ratna phyusi res na ta khanda tindegi thoni 문화계 니추 지칼로페 땅은주 초라 랑니 라오르와 딘데기 담상 시우직 마도 시에는 게도 다센 도체